This is how SpaceX builds one rocket every week. It starts at Boca Chica, Texas at Starbase, a small company town of top engineers where Elon Musk spends most of his time. And previously they built rockets inside of tents to remain flexible as they figured out the design. But now that SpaceX has gotten really good at building rockets, they're building them out of Star Factory, an official, more robust facility. But here's the catch. Elon doesn't follow Henry Ford's assembly line model, where a product moves down a conveyor belt and gradually gets more stuff attached to it. Instead, he developed his own method called linear adjacent flow, where you build different segments of the rocket in parallel to one another and then bring them all together at the end. For example, you create 3 different assembly lines, one for the front, one for the middle, and one for the back of the rocket. Have them run in parallel and then put them together at the end. And Tesla does the same thing with their cars. But the problem with rockets is that they're really tall, taller than the entire Star Factory. So after they're built, SpaceX wheels out the 3 pieces and stacks them at the Mega Bay, where they install the engines and put on the finishing touches. And Elon says they'll be able to produce one rocket every 3 days here. But with the addition of Star Factory 2 being built in Florida, SpaceX will be able to produce one rocket every day. And this is Elon's long-term goal: to produce a fleet of 1,000 rockets and have them travel from Earth to Mars in one epic convoy of humanity.